Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformations. So here we have someone, she has this beautiful platinum hair, comes to around shoulder length. And it looks like the stylist is doing a nice cut refresh and trimming the hair into a bob. Ooh, wow, absolutely gorgeous. I love how it looks with that red lip as well. So beautiful. So here we have someone, she has alopecia. So the stylist adds some color for this transformation. So it looks like he dyed the hair darker. He just kind of touched up those gray roots. And then he's cutting the hair into a bob. Okay, so he is cutting bangs here. I was thinking that bangs would do a great job of helping to conceal that area, that forehead, where she's thinning the most. He did a really good job. I really like the color here as well. Very nice. Oh, I love her hair color. She has this gorgeous red. I'm hoping that she doesn't do anything with the color. Oh, wow. Okay. I was not expecting that. So he cuts the hair. Oh, it looks like she's getting a bob here with bangs. Oh, this color looks so beautiful. Oh, wow. So he gave her like this flipped under feathered bob cut, bangs in the front. That color really just does it for me. Just breathtaking. Wow. So here we have someone, she has long waist length hair. The stylist cuts the hair right off. Oh, and she gets a beautiful bob makeover. Gorgeous. So here we have another bob transformation. So she starts off with a shoulder length hair. And the stylist gives her a nice angled bob. This is a great shape because her hair is on the thinner side, so that angle really just kind of gave the hair a thicker appearance. And it frames her face so beautifully. Alright, so here we have someone who wants to go red and cut their hair. So the stylist colors the hair. Ooh, look at that. Oh, wow. That is such a beautiful, intense red hue. Perfect for her complexion. I love this wavy tousled bob. And the color looks superb. Very nice.